How to see your Instagram password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can look at your Instagram password. Well, to be honest and to be straight, there is no any option that you'll be able to see an Instagram password. Now once you have logged into your account, even if you are logged into your account on your device, you won't be able to see the password of your account. If you have forgotten it, what you can do is you can head into your browser, and on your browser on your device you want to search in for recover Instagram password, as I've done so on the screen. And then next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the very first link that says reset password. You can see the official Instagram website, right? You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it should take you to this page here. Now you can see trouble logging in. What you'll have to do is you'll have to either enter in your email, your phone number, or your username, and then simply tap on send login link. And once you do so, you'll be able to get the login link on your device, whether on your email or phone or so. And here what you want to do is you want to simply enter in the code, and you'll get the option to change your password, and you can change your password and this time remember your password. So this is the way you can know your Instagram password. Unfortunately you won't be able to see it, but you can change it easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.